In this lesson, we will see les pronoms relatifs, but more precisely, we will see lequel. So, of course, the main question is, what are les pronoms relatifs? So, a relative pronoun in French is a pronoun that introduces a relative clause which provides additional information about a noun in the main clause. So this is the point. You will have your main clause, and then in this main clause you have a noun and you want to give additional information about this noun. So relative clauses serve to describe or identify the noun more precisely. And they help make complex sentences by connecting main clauses where you have this important noun to subordinate clauses and providing additional information about nouns. So, this lesson is about lequel. And the relative pronoun lequel can be translated into English as which, whom, that, or whose, depending on the context. So we'll see some examples with lequel. Voici le livre avec lequel j'apprends le français. Voici le livre avec lequel j'apprends le français. C'est le village dans lequel je suis né. C'est le village dans lequel je suis né. L'artiste pour lequel elle travaille est très talentueux. L'artiste pour lequel elle travaille est très talentueux. J'aime beaucoup le spectacle auquel nous avons assisté hier soir. J'aime beaucoup le spectacle auquel nous avons assisté hier soir. And in that case, you can see that auquel, of course, is not lequel, but it's the preposition a followed by lequel, and it becomes auquel.